Hi guys, in today's video we are going to discuss about retell lecture, which is the fourth section in a row in your first module, which is your speaking module. Now in this particular video I will be talking about some of the strategies on how you can nail your retell lecture, and also I will be sharing one example as to how you have to do your retell lecture. Now in your retell lecture you get around 2 to 4 questions in your exam, and it is quite important for speaking and your listening module. Please try to understand, as the question says retell lecture, that means you're listening the lecture and then you're speaking. So that means your speaking and your listening skills are checked over here. So very important. You have to speak fluently, you have to speak very clearly so that all the words, all the contents are delivered properly. And you have to target at least 30 keywords from the lecture. Keep in mind you're just going to target 30 keywords from the lecture and it has to be in sequence. Apart from that, it is quite an important for speaking and your listening module. This will help build your score in your listening module, one of the most important ones. So for the students who are missing out your score in your listening module, this is the section from where you can boost your score. The next one, it's your priority. Yeah, it is important for your speaking and listening. The timing is preparation time, they give you around 9 seconds. Given time is 40 seconds, ideal time to speak is 30 to 36 seconds. So everything is mentioned in this slide. Make sure you're following it as it is. So preparation time is approximately 9 seconds. Given time, the time that the computer gives you is 40 seconds, and ideal time to speak is 30 to 36 seconds. The content, you must speak at least 25 to 30 keywords from the image. Use the given template in your handout, which I will be discussing in like 1 or 2 seconds. While taking the notes, make sure you're taking around 25 to 30 keywords. The next one is your strategy, wherein you'll be taking around 30 words from the lecture that are preferably nouns, verbs, adverbs and adjectives. Please don't take words like going, coming, these kind of words. It has to be nouns, verbs, adverbs and adjectives, which are the main keywords of the lecture. Take 3 words at a time in a row, or you can take it horizontally. It completely depends on you. How comfortable are you in taking the notes? Make sure you speak these words like a sentence. One of the key factor that you need to follow is not giving your response with a list of words. It has to be in a way that you are retelling the lecture. Yes, we are only taking the keywords and definitely we are not forming the sentence, because when we grammatically form a sentence, definitely we pause, we make error. So we don't want to go there. You are delivering the keywords, but the way you deliver the keywords, it has to be in the form of a sentence. Try to minimize the pauses while you speak and use the template for that, which I will be discussing in the next slide, which you can see over here. You have to speak something like this. Now these are the number of words that you have taken, approximately 25 to 30 keywords. It has to be something like this. The speaker talks about word 1, word 2 and word 3. The speaker also talks about word 4, word 5 and word 6. So it has to be in this form. Yeah, you're not going to speak something like this. The speaker talks about car, manufacture, trees. The speaker also talks about this. That is called your list of words. That's why I say when you take your keywords, make sure you are taking in the form of keyword and phrases so that there is a flow of sentence. So if you have any question in regards to the strategy or anything, wherein I'll be showing you guys a live example as to how you have to perform in your retell lecture. But if you have any type of question, make sure you write them in the comment section and I will be getting back to you.